XRP just crashed through a major support level at $1.20, and the Fear and Greed Index is screaming extreme fear at just 12. But here's the twist. The AI models are showing something completely different for the weeks ahead. Let's break it down. Here's where we are right now. XRP is trading at $1.1747, down a painful minus 5.78% in the last 24 hours. You know what I've noticed? When everyone's panicking, that's usually when the interesting opportunities start showing up. The trading volume hit 159 million XRP, which tells me there's some serious selling pressure happening. But here's the thing. Sometimes the best setups come disguised as the worst days. Now let me show you why this number matters. The RSI just hit 27.01, and in my experience watching charts, anything below 30 is what we call oversold territory. It's like a rubber band stretched too far. It wants to snap back. The price is sitting 26% below its 200-day moving average right now. That's actually pretty extreme. I've seen this pattern before, and it usually doesn't stay this stretched for long. Here's what moved the market today. Investors are rushing into US stocks and AI companies instead of crypto. There's all this excitement about potential IPOs from SpaceX and OpenAI, so money is flowing out of our space. Bitcoin dropped over 16% this month, and when Bitcoin sneezes, well, XRP catches a cold. The correlation isn't perfect though, which could work in our favor. On the regulatory front, there's actually some good news hiding in all this chaos. Ripple's RLUSD just got included in MasterCard's stablecoin program. That means real banks can use it for card transactions. Now this is interesting. While everyone's worried about regulations, XRP is quietly becoming more useful in the real world. The Clarity Act is still hanging over us though, and that could go either way. The mood right now is, well, it's pretty grim, not gonna lie. That Fear and Greed Index at 12 means people are in full panic mode. XRP search interest is down to just 24, so nobody's even talking about it anymore. But you know what I've learned? When nobody cares, that's often when the smart money starts quietly accumulating. The big players are doing something interesting though. There were 894 whale transactions recently, moving over 1 billion XRP. That's not panic selling. That's repositioning. These whales don't move that much money unless they're planning something. The XRP ledger is processing nearly 3 million transactions daily now, up from 1 million last year. The network is actually getting more busy while the price goes down. In plain English, we're in what's called a C-wave correction in Elliott Wave terms. Think of it like the final washout before things turn around. The Wyckoff pattern suggests we're in the markdown phase, where weak hands get shaken out. It sounds scary, but this is actually a normal part of the cycle. Once this phase ends, that's when the next upward wave usually begins. So what does the AI think? Here's where it gets really interesting. Short term, the AI expects more pain, down to $1.1505 with 72% confidence. But wait, medium term in 7 days? It's predicting $1.7079 with 98% confidence. And long term at 30 days? Get this, $2.2422 with 99.9% probability. That's nearly double from here. The AI is basically saying, short-term ouch, but then, wow. But here's what could go wrong. XRP ETFs just saw $19 million in outflows. So institutions are backing away for now. If Bitcoin keeps falling, we might get dragged down further. And that support at $1.14, if that breaks, things could get messy quickly. The regulatory uncertainty is still hanging over everything too. Here's my take. I'm recommending a gradual accumulation strategy, not a big buy right now. First entry point, $1.10 to $1.15. If it drops more, second entry at $1 to $1.05. Stop loss at 95 cents because we need to protect ourselves. First target, $1.70. Second target, $2.20. The AI data is just too compelling to ignore, and the fundamentals with MasterCard and real banking usage are actually improving while everyone's focused on the price. That's it for today. Remember, I'm just looking at AI, data, and patterns, not giving professional advice. If this helped you see the bigger picture, hit that subscribe button and give it a like. The market might be scary right now, but the setup for the coming weeks looks pretty interesting. See you next time.